InfoAir World. Worldwide information.
Many people come and go in the world, but there are some people whom the world remembers by their name and work. Today, we are talking about a man who served humanity with his profession, speeches, and work. Dr. Javed Iqbal was born on May 29, 1961, in Harunabad. His father was a government officer. He has done his schooling from Federal Government School Islamabad. After that, he has done his FSc from Federal Government College, Islamabad. In 1979, he got admission in Nishta Medical College. In 1985, he graduated from medical college. He did house job and served in rural periphery for a year. He got the option to work in the army or rural area, so he preferred rural areas to treat the poor people and get to know more about the conditions and medical facilities of rural areas. Then, he did his FCPS. He did his surgical training at Nishta Medical College, which is known Nishta University. In 1990, he cleared his fellowship exam in the first attempt. After that, he served in Nishta, and in 1991, he was selected as Senior Registrar in Surgery. In 1993, he became an Assistant Professor of Surgery. In 1994, he moved to Australia, Sydney, in St. George Hospital for short fellowship, and he was selected on a scholarship from the College of Physician of a Surgeon in Pakistan, and this was the area of laparoscopy and liver surgery. When he came back in 1991, he was transferred and posted in Quaid-e-Azam Medical College, Bhavalpur. In 1997, he got the opportunity to go to the UK and did his FRCS. He came back, and in 1998 he left for Islamabad again and served for 2.5 years as Associate Professor of Surgery in Shifa International Hospital. In 2001, due to a few reasons, he came back to Bahawalpur, then all of his job was in Bahawalpur. He was an Associate Professor, after that he became a Professor, and then he was head of the Department of Surgery. During this period, he was awarded a fellowship from the American College of Surgeons. His activities have been in teaching, training, and surgery, medical education. Since he was a medical teacher, he thought to formally learn it, so he did Masters in 2013 in Medical Education, MCPS-HPE. He, with his team, conducting 100 of workshops in various areas related to laparoscopic surgery. He is one of the pioneers of laparoscopic surgery in the region. He has trained more than 50 surgeons formally as their supervisor and thousands more who have worked with him in various capacities during his 4 decades-long professional journey. He is an official mentor of the Royal College of Glasgow and International Course Director of American College of Surgeons for Advanced Trauma Life Support, ATLS. He is a well-known medical educationist and has been a part of the College of Physicians and Surgeons, University of Health Sciences, and Nishta Medical University as Faculty of Medical Education. He is on the reviewers panel of various index medical journals. He has more than 25 research publications on his credit, along with a book on surgery entitled The Operative Surgery. He recently retired as principal of Quaid-e-Azam Medical College, Bhavalpur. He served 2.5 years. He tried to convert Quaid-e-Azam Medical College as an institution of international ranking. He is a published poet, short story writer, critic, and broadcaster. His current areas of effort are teaching and training of soft skills at various national and international fora. He is very active on social media, and his team runs a very well-subscribed YouTube channel covering versatile topics and interests. He is being invited on national and international TV shows for his intellectual contribution. He is an influential speaker. Millions of people are getting benefits from his videos on medical education, FCPS training, parenting, relationships, human well-being, and various other social issues. He has written books like Magar Mumkin Hai, Kisi Ko Kuch Bhi Khabar Nahi Hai. If we take a look at his personal life, he has 4 children, 3 sons and 1 daughter. The elder 3 are doctors and the youngest one is in engineering university. His 2 sons and their spouses are also in the same profession. His son-in-law is a dentist, and his daughter and son-in-law live in Dublin. According to Sir Javed, death is real. The way we take life, the same way we should take death, because from death we will find unanswered questions. Sir Javed is the star of Pakistan, who has illuminated a candle in the hearts of people whose light is becoming associated with the guiding principles of living a life.
If you like this video, don't forget to like it, leave your comments, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Info Air World. This is a platform for you.